Let's now move on and shift our focus to some big news we are getting for you at this point in time. A big statement, in fact, has come in from Bangladesh Cricket Board after ICC denied Bangladesh's request. And the statement mentions that Bangladesh is not going to play in India. This is the latest update coming in after ICC denied the request of Bangladesh Cricket Board to shift the matches away from India. BCB president says they're not sure about the status of world cricket. Its popularity is going down, and they have decided that they are not going to be sending their team to play in India. This is the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time from Bangladesh Cricket Board. A big statement has come after ICC denied the request of Bangladesh Cricket Board to shift the matches away from India. BCB president has said that Bangladesh Cricket Board has decided that it will not be playing in India. Let's go across to my colleague Karishma joining us live right now for more on this. Karishma, big statement they're coming in from Bangladesh Cricket Board. Give us more details.
Well, yes, absolutely, Hina. This is what was expected of them. But interestingly, they're not using the word boycott as far as this particular tournament is concerned. Asif Nazrul and Aminul Bulbul doing a joint press conference there and, constantly saying that we do not want to put our players at risk. If Mustafizur would not be secure in India, how do they ensure security for the entire Bangladesh cricket team? But this is after the ICC independent team shared the security threat with them, said there is no specific threat to the Bangladesh team. It is a low to moderate risk. This is a routine assessment that is done. And then the ICC board also voted in favor of, not having Bangladesh. If Bangladesh were not to come, then the ICC board voted to have Scotland. So everything was going against Bangladesh Cricket Board ever since this entire matter was pushed by the BCB president and Asif Nazrul, who is the interim sports advisor / sports minister. And now it has come to a point where the Bangladesh Cricket Board is saying that they will not travel to India. Now the ICC board gave its decision yesterday when it said that if Bangladesh doesn't come, then we will replace them with Scotland. But interestingly, in this press conference, Aminul Bulbul and Asif Nazrul are still saying that they will communicate with ICC. They will fight with ICC. What is there to fight or communicate? One really needs to understand, because the ICC has given its decision. They have issued a press release saying that they are upholding the schedule that was made in the first place. There are going to be no changes, and we cannot put the reputation of ICC as a neutral cricket body in jeopardy just because one cricket body feels that there are security threats. And we have reassured them multiple times that there are no security threats. You will be taken care of if you were to travel to India. But Bangladesh Cricket Board not agreeing to all of that and, going ahead with what the Bangladesh government had to decide.
Could you just also elaborate a little bit more on, what they have really mentioned? One, like you said, they've not mentioned the word boycott. Second, what kind of security threat are they talking about for Mustafizur? That was a completely different matter. And we are seeing persecution of minorities taking place in Bangladesh, not in India. Are they not aware of the realities of both the countries?
Well, Hina, of course, they are ignorant to all of that. And when they talk about Mustafizur Rahman, also let's understand that Mustafizur Rahman did not even step in India. In fact, he was asked to be removed from the IPL by the BCCI because of what was happening in Bangladesh to Hindus. But at the end of the day, that matter was between the BCCI and the Bangladesh Cricket Board, two bilateral cricket boards that had got nothing to do with the International Cricket Board, the International Cricket Committee.
Right.
And now the BCB pushed their way forward to the ICC, but the ICC making it very, very clear that there is no specific security threat. So we are not going to bow down to BCB just because they feel that their matches should be played in Sri Lanka. And now they can communicate all they want, but they are all set to be replaced by Scotland.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. Heading into a very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.